Started in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Last match before lunch, and we've got a bear full out here. Over on red, shot from 9990, taking aim, trying to get up and in. Meanwhile, their partners 930, trying to pick one up from the center line, but a little collision with Avis 5826 machine in blue. Blue is going to walk away with a lead here of about 13 points, 29 to 16. 87-44 pops one way up in the air for their partners, the Chippewa Falls machine. They've got that note in their possession and down into the blue amp. Nicely done for blue. They can choose to use that for cooperation or to amplify. Not to be outdone, over on red, there we go, Farrah Burmis, one of the best amp machines here. Trying to pick up a note off the ground. They've got it into their possession. Now making their way through a sea of notes, courtesy of their two Maguanago partners. A little bit of a 930 on 930 action. Some defense there over on the blue side. 9993 trying to slow down their friends in red from feeding. Red amplified speaker though. One in for Farrah Burmis. Nicely done. 930 takes aim. They've got a second. Those will be worth 5 points apiece. But blue, here goes 1, 2. Courtesy of Leviathans and Avis. They are right back in it. With that, blue 48-34 lead and back to feeding. We see both teams, both alliances, employing similar strategies. Feed a few notes over, then once the amp is ready, everybody makes their way down and scores in that amplified speaker. 9990 tosses one up, and barely makes its way back into the field, bouncing off the red amp. There's Farrah Burmis. They've got that red amp ready to go. Blue has creeped ahead here, 52-35, but red has amplified. They could close that gap very quickly. A few missed shots, though. 930 gets one in. We'll see if they can get any more. 9990 banks one in just at the end of that red amplification period. 20 seconds left here. Time to climb. Teams have to be careful around those stages. It's a close match. It could come down to climbing endgame points. Less than 10 seconds. Blue starting to pull away. We'll see if 87-44 can get it off the ground. Looks like 99-93 trying to keep 930 away. They may have coasted and bounced off. We'll let the referees check out what our final scores will be. Let's take a look at the scores. That match went back and forth. It was pretty close, but in the end, your Blue Alliance is victorious with a score of 74-57. Blue's going to take home 3 ranking points. That's going to keep all 3 of your Blue Alliance teams in the top 8, with Avis at 3, Leviathans at 4, and Baby Bear up at 5. That drops Team 930 down, still in the top 8, just barely.